Hi, my name is Kirsten with Microsun Lamps. Congratulations on purchasing your new MicrosunXL upgrade set. We are so excited for you to have a brand new lamp by the end of this video. So first we want to start off by sharing what you're going to receive when you purchase the brand new MicrosunXL upgrade set. First and foremost, you're going to receive a new control module. Then you're going to receive 3 brand new engineered bulbs, all LED. You're going to get a center socket bulb and 2 side socket bulbs. And with every upgrade set, we're also including a dimmer. This provides even more flexibility with the brightness of your lamp. We're also going to have some hardware, just some simple pieces you're going to need to do the install of your new upgrade set. A cord if for some reason yours needs replaced. And then some felt to replace at the bottom of your lamp. All right, as soon as you receive your MicrosunXL upgrade set, the first thing we want you to do is look through the packaging, check all your materials within the packaging, your bulbs, your hardware kit, and make sure that nothing is damaged and that you received everything. If you happen to have any issues or feel that you are missing something, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are always happy to help. Now, before we get started, we are going to need a few things. Again, make sure you have all your materials to get started with from us. And then you're also going to need some wire cutters and wire strippers. These are going to be crucial for when you want to disassemble the cord and reassemble if you decide to move forward with reassembling this cord. When you're ready to start disassembling your lamp, the first thing we ask you to do is make sure that it is unplugged. We don't want any accidents happening. Now, since you'll be starting with a lamp within your home, you're going to remove the finial off the top, your lamp shade and set it gently aside, and then your harp. And that you'll squeeze, click out, and it'll come out no problem. Then we also ask that you go ahead and remove your bulbs. Now we can begin on the next step. First thing you want to do is take off the felt on the bottom of your lamp. Now don't worry, you can use this piece to trace out your new felt on the piece that we provide for you. And you're going to see these 2 wires connected to the silver wire here at the bottom, or whatever color wire you're using. You want to go ahead and take your wire cutters and just snip those right off, like that. We're going to set that off to the side. Now that you've removed the blocking wires, you're going to take your hardware set here, and within that is an additional baggie with a brand new set screw and Allen wrench. We're going to take out the Allen wrench, and we're going to remove the set screw that's in the back of your old control module. It's pretty small, so it won't take too long. And we're also going to ask that you dispose of this set screw as well. You can place that Allen wrench back in, and we'll come back to it shortly. Now we can unscrew counterclockwise the old control module. Once it's loose, we can take the lamp, throw it on its side, and pull it out. Now, just as we did with that set screw, you may go ahead and dispose of your old control module. Now, depending on what type of lamp you have, you may have some additional accent pieces here. We're going to take this off and set it to the side so we don't lose it in the process of putting our lamp back together. All right, now we're ready to start reassembling our lamp with our new control module. So the first thing we want to do is get into our hardware set, and you'll see that if your lamp requires it, there will be a new check ring. So we want to go ahead and put that back, and you can dispose of that old one. Now what we want to do is carefully lay our lamp down, and we're going to unravel our cord. Don't let your lamp run away. And now we'll begin to feed that through the top of our lamp. And pretty quickly, you should start to see that wire through the other side, and you can go ahead and finish pulling it through. Now we'll gently take this back up, and we will screw on our control module. Now, when you're re-screwing this new one on, you want to be careful. You want it to be snug, but not too snug, because we have the set screw to help keep it in place. All right, now you can refer to the baggie with your new set screw in it. And be careful, it is tiny. And we can go ahead and replace that. Now, same thing here. We want to put it in. We want it to be snug, but we don't want to over tighten it because then we're at risk of stripping the screw. All right, now we can move on. All right, now we are ready to continue to work on our wiring. You want to gently place your lamp down, and you'll see the wires here. Now, we have some cord wire left over, which is great because we're going to reconnect this wire to our new control module wire. So we want to use our wire cutters, and you want to snip about 3 inches down. Now, it's better to have a little more than a little less. So if you have any doubts, give yourself a little extra wire. Now we want to go ahead and strip off about 1/2 inch from the wire with your wire strippers. And you want to do the same thing with your cord wire here. All right, now we're ready to put our wires together. What you want to do for each set of wires is feel around the cord, and you'll notice you have a ridged one and a smooth one. We want to put those together. So for me, I'm going to start with the ridged, and we're going to refer back to our hardware set here and take out our 2 wire nuts. Here's my ridged in the black, and here's my ridged in the clear. And I'm just going to take my fingers and lightly twist them together. Now I can take my wire nut and finish that process. You'll know that you get your wire nut all the way on when it gets a little difficult to turn anymore. That means it's secure. So now we can take our other 2 wires, gently twist those together, and add our wire nut. Please keep in mind, the reason we do the 1/2 inch is so that all bare wire is covered by the wire nut. We want to make sure that no wire is exposed outside of that wire nut. We've traced our new felt pad out. So you're going to lightly press the wires into the bottom of the base and then reapply your felt bottom like so. All right, now that our lamp is rewired, it's time to reassemble it. The first thing we want to start with is actually going to be our harp. Now, there will be 2 slits at the top of this here. You want to make sure that when you put it in, you give it a good squeeze, and we don't want to press it all the way down just yet. We want to make sure we can get that bulb in. So let's go ahead and start with our brand new center socket bulb. And you're going to gently put that down into the center here and twist. It should be going very effortlessly. If it's not, go ahead and remove it and try again. We don't want to cross our threads. Same thing with the bulb as we did with the control module. We want the bulbs to be snug, but we don't want to over tighten them and risk damaging them. Now that the bulb is in, we can take our harp and finish pressing it down. Hear that click? That means it's secure and ready to go. Now we're going to move in with our side socket bulbs. Same thing here. If it's not going easily, go ahead and take it out and try again. Till just snug. And then we'll do our other one here. Perfect. Now we're ready for the next part. We're going to go ahead and put our lampshade on. And then reapply our finial. Perfect. Now, before we plug it in, we have our new Microsun dimmer that comes with everything. Comes with every upgrade set. Each MicrosunXL upgrade kit comes with a brand new remote control dimmer. So here you'll see the remote control dimmer plug that plugs into the wall, and then you'll plug in your lamp to that. It also comes with a remote control that you can choose to either keep on your nightstand or coffee table, or you have the option to also hang it on the wall with the wall holder and hardware to do so. This dimmer gives you even more ability and flexibility with your MicrosunXL lamp. We would like to congratulate you again on assembling your brand new MicrosunXL lamp. As a friendly reminder, the control module and bulbs have a 5-year warranty on this set. We are so proud of this innovative product that's going to brighten your world And if for some reason you have any questions or need any help at all assembling your new upgrade set, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are always happy to help. Have a beautiful, bright day.